Welcome to day 23 of Strength 30 Days of Tai Chi Daily Exercises. So this is the exercise video, so make sure to watch your Tai Chi video as well. Click the link below the video in the description to get all the classes for free. All right, and so today we're going to do an exercise called step-ups, sidestepping, or sideways step-ups. All right, so the last session we did forward, going forwards and backwards. Now we're going to go side to side. This is really good for the hips, especially the sides of the hips that oftentimes are very weak on people. All right, so this is going to strengthen the hips, which will really help with stability and balance. It'll help you to actually go up and down stairs normally, and then also walking up hills, down hills, uneven surfaces, pretty much just your daily life. It's going to really help having stronger hips. It's where we generate a lot of our power from movement. All right, and so I'll demonstrate it first, and then we'll do it all together. All right, so now you'll want to get either a step stool, or I actually recommend using a staircase, because if you have a staircase, they usually have a railing. That way you have something to hold on to for balance, because remember, you always want to be safe with all of these exercises. All right, so I'm going to use these blocks though, just for demonstration purposes. I don't recommend using blocks because they're really easy to kind of flop out under you. All right, so you want to make sure that you use something that's not going to slide. All right, and so what we're going to do is stand next to the step. All right, so if this is like your first step of your staircase, you'd be on the floor, and then that would be your first step. You can place your hand on the railing, and then what you'll do is you'll step up with the, I'm going to use, this is my right leg. It doesn't matter which leg, but I'm just going to use my right leg first. So we step up with the right leg onto the step, and then up with the left, and then down with the left, down with the right. All right, so that would be one. And then that would be two. All right, then what we would do, if we were on a staircase, we'd have to turn around, and then we'd do the left. So up with the left, and then down with the right, down with the left. All right, see, these are already separating on me. I'm like getting nervous. Okay. All right, there we go. So that's how we do. We go up with the left, then up with the right. Get nice and tall, though. All right, so that's why it's good to have a railing, just in case. You can hold on to something, even just your fingertips. It makes a huge difference. Down with the right, then down with the left. So it's 1, 1, 1, 2. I guess 1, 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Left, right, right, left. All right. So now that can be kind of tricky. So if it's hard to get up on the step, if it's really narrow and you're just not really doing it, then you can just kind of go up and then back down. But if you can get all the way up on the step, that's going to be better. And then stepping all the way down with both feet. All right, so both feet up, then both feet down. All right, so what I'm going to do, let me just try it. I think it might be safer if I have it that position that way. Let's see, so up. Yes, that feels better. All right, so what we're going to do is 10 reps with the right leg, or this could be your left, that's fine. And then we'll do 10 reps the other way. So all the way up and all the way down is 1 rep. All right, just try to breathe normally. You can always breathe out on the harder spot. So breathing in and then breathe out, breathe out. So that's an option, or you can just breathe normal for this one. This one can actually be used not only as a strength training exercise, but also endurance. All right, so it gets the heart rate going a bit, so it could actually be good cardio as well, depending on how long you do it for. But just start off with 10, and remember, you can always do less. So listen to your body. If you start to feel really tired or sore or any weird sensations, you can always just stop just to be safe and try back again later. All right, so let's begin. We'll start with one leg. I'm going to do my right, but you can do whatever one, and we'll begin. All right, so up with the right, up with the left, down with the left, down with the right, or vice versa. So up 1, up 2, down 1, down 2. That's 2. Up, down, 3, up, down, that's 4, up, down, that's 5, and you can go a little bit slower if you need to. 6. Sometimes I get excited, so but you really want to make sure you're very solid, okay? So make sure you're really there and then come down. All right, I kind of lost track. Let's do one more for 10-ish. All right, so we'll call that 10. All right, the actual number, there's nothing, you don't have to get exactly 10, but it's just a good round number that's easy to shoot for. All right, so we're gonna do the other leg now. So whatever leg you were doing, we're gonna switch sides. Okay, so if you were stepping up with your right, now we're gonna step up with the left to begin. All right, let's see, I'll make sure that I'm safe. So we'll begin in the starting position, nice and tall. Then we'll begin. So up with the left, up with the right, down with the right, down with the left. Up 1, up 2, down 1, down 2. Up and down, that's 3. Up, down, that's 4. Up, down, that's 5. Remember to stay nice and tall. 6, breathe. 7, you can get a little rhythm going. Sometimes that helps. 8, 9, and 10. All right, so those are step up sideways. So if you want, you could do, for a good cardio workout, you could go up and down forwards like we showed in the last class, and then do your sideways ones in that same sitting, so to speak, and that same session. And so that way you'll be getting the front and the backs of the legs, but also the sides. So we're really working on the hips in all directions. It's gonna really help with balance and stability, strength, and endurance. All right, let me know if you have any questions, type them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.